Hello everyone, today we're going to be discussing the Lisbon earthquake. When this earthquake happened November 1st, 1755, the earthquake took place in Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. It was centered in the Atlantic Ocean about 200 kilometers west-southwest of Cape St. Vincent. And why? It was caused by an activity along the Gibraltar Transform Fault, and the earthquake caused a tsunami and the fires that occurred after. Now we're going to be speaking about the human impact. Casualties. Estimates suggest that the death toll was around 70,000 people. The damage, the earthquake and tsunami destroyed about two-thirds of the street in Lisbon. Fires also further damaged the city. The political and social unrest, it caused a power struggle because most of the land was in ruins, and it led to there being a new focus on emergency, disaster preparation, and response times. The environmental impact. Tsunami, the earthquake generated a tsunami that produced waves that were 20 meters high in Lisbon. The tsunami caused severe erosion and flooding, which completely altered the coastlines and completely flooded the coastal communities. Fires. After the earthquake, several fires broke out, causing two-thirds of the city to be destroyed by the flames that went on for 5 days. The effects on wildlife. The earthquake caused hydrological anomalies, which caused major changes to springs and wells, the flow rates of rivers, as well as the paths of those rivers. This caused wildlife to be affected because there were so many sudden changes to the water sources in the land. Global effects. The tsunami traveled across the Atlantic Ocean and went as far as the Caribbean. It also affected how earthquakes were studied in the future and started the study of seismology. Now, here are some fun facts and lessons. This was one of the earliest documented tsunamis and started the science of seismology. The Great Earthquake occurred when many worshippers in Portugal filled churches and cathedrals for All Saints' Day, which was a religious holiday. And since the earthquake took place on a religious holiday, many believed that this was because God was punishing them. The earthquake taught us many important lessons, like the need for sturdier buildings, better urban planning to minimize damage, and the need for more investigation into nature's power and what effect it can have on us. And these are all the sources that we use to gather and collect all this information. And that concludes our project. Thanks for watching.